Mini glazed pumpkin scones. Prep time 20 minutes. Cook time 12 minutes. Yield 32 mini scones. Description: Starbucks-inspired mini glazed pumpkin scones are the perfect little fall treat, and since they're small, you can enjoy more than one without feeling guilty. Ingredients: pumpkin scones, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup brown sugar, packed, 3 teaspoons pumpkin spice blend, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup 1 stick unsalted butter, cut in 2 cubes, 1/2 cup pumpkin puree, 3 tablespoons fat-free half and half cream, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, glaze, 1 cup confectioner's sugar, 2 tablespoons fat-free half and half cream, spiced glaze, 1/2 cup confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon pumpkin spice blend, 1 tablespoon fat-free half and half cream. Instructions: pumpkin scones. Preheat oven to 400 F. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Set aside. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, pumpkin spice blend, baking soda, and salt. Work the butter into flour with a pastry cutter or your hands, just until the mixture is crumbly and the butter is the size of small peas. In another bowl, whisk together the pumpkin puree, half and half, egg, and vanilla until well combined. Pour pumpkin mixture over the dry ingredients. Stir using a rubber spatula until a soft dough forms. Knead dough in the bowl until smooth for about 1 minute. If the dough sticks, add a little flour to your hands. Flour a work surface generously, then roll the dough into an 8 by 10 rectangle, about 3/4 thick. Cut the dough into 16 even squares. To do this, cut the rectangle in half horizontally, then cut each half again horizontally, creating 4 equal rectangles. Do the same in the other direction, vertically. You should have 16 roughly 2-inch squares. Cut each square in half diagonally to create mini triangle-shaped scones. Place the scones onto prepared baking sheet. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until a tester inserted in the center comes out clean. Let cool for 10 minutes. Glaze. Combine confectioner's sugar and half in a bowl until smooth. Drizzle over slightly cooled scones. Allow to set at least 10 minutes, until icing hardens. Spiced glaze. Combine confectioner's sugar, pumpkin spice blend, and half and whisk until smooth. Drizzle spiced glaze in a zigzag pattern on top over the plain glaze. Allow to set at least 5 minutes before serving. Notes: store leftover scones in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Mini glazed pumpkin scones. Prep time 20 minutes. Cook time 12 minutes. Yield 32 mini scones. Description: Starbucks-inspired mini glazed pumpkin scones are the perfect little fall treat, and since they're small, you can enjoy more than one without feeling guilty.